In this video, I will show you how to convert your PowerPoint slide into engaging videos using Wondershare Democreator and its powerful AI features. With AI text-based editing, AI clip generator, and even AI voice changing, DemoCreator makes video creation easier than ever. I will walk you through recording, editing, and enhancing your videos, all with simple and easy to use tools. So if you are ready to take your presentation to the next level, let's get started. This is the website of Wondershare Democreator. Here you will see the title Record Like a Pro, Edit with AI Ease. You will be able to recording, editing, you will find templates and effects, and you will get AI features and shares. This is very amazing actually. To download the software, just click on the try for free and you will get the file. After installing the software, this is the beautiful Wondershare DemoCreator software interface. Here the main two options, video recorder and the video editor. Let me click on video recorder. You can easily record your screen and camera. Screen and camera recording is very effective for making online courses. You can easily record only camera, only audio, games. Even you can easily record virtual avatar and video presentation. Let me click on screen and camera. If you have the webcam, you will find this kind of option over here. If you want to disable your camera, you can easily click on over here, then the camera will be off. If you want to record only camera, just click on over here, and here is another beautiful option, the select screen. Click on over here, you can record the full screen, you can use the custom section, even you can record for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. If you click on the custom selection, you can easily find this type of option to resize it. You can choose your own custom area to record. Let me click on the full screen. Now here is another option, select window. You can easily record the custom window from your computer. And there is another option, the magic tools. Here is the smart zoom option, cursor highlight. If you select the cursor highlight option, the cursor will be highlighted like this. You can use show hotkey. You can use the AI voice cleaner. Here you can adjust your audio. I have two microphones. You can select your desired microphone from here. Now let me click on the recording option. Then the recording will be starting. You can easily use the annotation very easily. If you want to remove it, it is very easy to remove. If you want to highlight like this, you can easily show it over here and you can easily remove it. Now just hit stop to stop the recording, and the video editing option has been appeared. Just click on advanced editing and you will find the recording. If you want to add it in your timeline, just drag and drop it over here. 1920 and 180 and 30 fps video and the audio will be added in the timeline. Now select this point to see your editing. Suppose I don't need this area, so just click on over here and click on split and place over here and click on split and select this to and delete the area and adjust it like this. Let me show you another amazing feature. Just click on over here, select a PowerPoint presentation into your slide, click on open. It will be added as a presentation view. Select and place in your timeline. Keep this setting and you will see here I have 14 slides. It is automatically separated in 14 segments. If I want to add the transition between two slides, let me select this one. Go to over here. You will find various transition. Let me select this one and place it over here and let me see the transition. You will see this is looking very beautiful effect actually. You can add the cursor effect, the cursor highlight. You can add audio option to change your voice. Here you can use the annotation. Let me select this one and place it over here. You will see the highlighted section has been added in your slide. If you are happy in your presentation and the video, just click on the export button over here and you can change some setting. You can name your file and just click on export, then it will be saved as a video. Let me show you another great feature, the video presentation option. Let me click on over here. You can easily convert your PowerPoint slide into a video presentation. You can use the popular template from here. Let me import a template from my computer. Click on import from PowerPoint. Select the file from the desktop. Click on open. I have 14 slides. It has been added into 14 segments. Here I have the camera. If you have the camera, you can easily add your camera section over here and you can speak your word. It will be a very great presentation. If you want to change the size, it is very easy to resize it from here, and you can add the background, you can add the text over here, and this is very beautiful actually. Let me show you some great AI feature of Wondershare Democreator. Let me click on the plus sign and select a video from my computer. Let me select this video, click on open. Just click on the right button, you will find 3 useful options: AI clip generator, AI text-based editing, AI voice changer. Let me click on AI voice changer. Now let me click on over here, click on the option AI voice changer, click on over here, choose a voice from here. Let me select this one.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Click on OK. Now the voice generation process has been completed. Let me see the voice.
Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let me go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like this.
You see, voice has been changed. If you want to click on the apply, the voice will be applied in your video. Let me close over here, but if you see the actual voice of
here I have already taken a blank slide.
This type. Now let me show you another wonderful option. Click on right button, click on AI text-based editing. Click on OK. This option is very amazing. Here I have the video and here I have the subtitle from the video. If you remove any line from this text, the video section will be deleted automatically. Click on delete, the video section will be deleted. If you see the time over here, 5 minutes 56 seconds. Just select this section, click on the delete. You will see the video duration has been changed. So the video has been deleted automatically using the text-based editing. If you click on the export to timeline, it will be exported to your timeline over here. Let me show you another beautiful feature. Click on right button, click on AI clip generator. It is very useful to make shorts from your long video. Click on AI clip generator. First, let me select the video language. Let me select English India. Select the duration 0 to 30 seconds. Select the theme. Let me select the educational theme. Choose any theme from here. Make the aspect ratio 9:16 and select this template and click on generate. Click on confirm. Now you will be amazed to see that the video has been separated into multiple shorts. Here you will see
shape fill, change the fill color,
select.
Go to shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like,
and you will see the subtitle has been added automatically. You can easily export it or you can easily edit this. At the end of the video, I am suggesting this software to you because I found this beautiful Wondershare DemoCreator software amazing and very useful. By clicking over here, you can easily download this software, and this software is very useful for your daily life. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.